Hello everybody, hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm going to teach you today how to do a single crochet, and I've got a little chain started here. So if you've been following along with my videos for absolute beginners, you've already learned how to do a slip knot, how to do a slip stitch, and also how to make a chain. So what we're going to do is start off with our chain here. And the first thing that you're going to do to make single crochet is insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. So there's our first chain, there's our second chain. So let's insert that. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on our hook. Let's do that again. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops that are on your hook. We'll do it again. Insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have two, yarn over, pull through those two. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, and that's a single crochet right there. I'm going to keep going. You can watch me, just follow along. It's our next chain on the hook. Next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. I'll keep going till I get to the end of my chain here, just to demonstrate for you. Super easy. You've got this. You've got this. You've learned the single crochet now. When you're working this foundation row, just make sure to hang on to the bottom of your chain here as you're doing your stitches, and it makes it so much easier. Probably hear my dogs chewing on their bones here. They're having a good old time right now. And our last chain. There you go. Yarn over, pull through those two. And you've just finished a foundation row of single crochet. I hope that helped. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button for me. It really helps me out. Thanks so much. Have a super day.